What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I've partnered with Lenovo to show you the world's first 5G connected laptop. This is the Lenovo Flex 5G. I'm excited about this one because I think having an always connected laptop in this compact 2-in-1 form factor is a perfect combo. So let's unbox it, see what comes inside of the box, walk you through the laptop, and make sure you stick around to find out how you can take advantage of a limited time deal where you can get $400 off. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. Make sure you check current pricing. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's see what comes with it. I am loving the colorful box. Let's crack into it. You get presented with the laptop itself. Let's take it out of the protective sleeve and then we put the laptop to the side to see what else is there. There is a small compartment here. Let's open this up. You will find some paperwork and some warranty information. And then this right here will tell you how to get started step by step like a pro. And you get a SIM card ejector tool because trust me, you are going to want to put that Verizon 5G SIM card in there. And you also get a USB-C power cord and a power brick. So let's take a closer look at the laptop. You can see it's nice and thin. This is also very light, under 3 pounds, so this can go with you anywhere. And also, I really like the matte finish, but it's also grippy. You can hear it, so I'm digging the build quality. The Lenovo Flex 5G is a 2-in-1 laptop, and if you've never used one of these before, it's like getting a laptop and a tablet in one machine, which I think is nice. You can use it like a normal laptop when you need to get things done, and then you can tent it to catch up on your favorite content, movies, TV shows. And then you can fold it all the way around and use it like a tablet if you want. So you do have choices with the Lenovo Flex 5G. Next up, the all-important one-handed open test. Let's see if it passes. And it does with no problems. And there's a little notch out right here, which is nice. It makes it easier to find. So I'm really digging that design feature. Was that intentional? The display is a 14-inch 1080p panel and it looks nice and crisp. It's also a touchscreen, which I'm a fan of. That little notch that I showed you earlier actually houses the 720p front-facing camera for video calls. And it has one of my favorite features of Windows laptops, period, and that is Windows Hello facial recognition sign-in. All I gotta do is open a laptop, scans my face by IR, and boom, right in there. So convenient. And for some reason, if you don't like that, I don't know why you wouldn't, you also have a fingerprint scanner too. So you rather use that, you can. Again, I love having the options. You get a nice size backlit keyboard here, works really well. And you also get a very smooth trackpad. It's one of the smoothest trackpads on the surface, just glides on your fingers. And the speakers are on both sides and they have Dolby Atmos support, which is great. On the left side, you get 2 USB-C ports. This is how you will charge. And on the right side, there is a power button, a headphone jack, and an airplane mode switch so you can quickly turn off that connectivity if you don't need it. So from the outside, this might look like a normal laptop, but there are some things about it that make it very special. First, this laptop is running the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx compute platform, which shares the DNA of some of the most powerful smartphones in the market. So there's plenty of power here with 8 cores running at 2.84 GHz paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. But most importantly, this platform allows it to have super fast next generation 5G connectivity built in with the X55 5G modem, which I've had the pleasure of testing out multiple times, and it's faster than most people's home Wi-Fi network. 5G is really going to change how we work and consume data. You'll be able to download your favorite TV shows and movies much quicker, website loading is ultra quick, and with the reduced latency, you'll be able to cloud game buttery smooth on a 5G connection, so you can work or play anywhere you want securely without even worrying about public Wi-Fi. This processor, while powerful, also behaves more like your smartphone, so the Lenovo Flex 5G with active Verizon service is always going to be connected. So you'll always be up to date on your emails and notifications, unlike a traditional laptop where if you lose Wi-Fi connection or if you're disconnected from your tethering hotspot, then that doesn't happen anymore. And the icing on the cake is that even with all of that happening in the background, the Snapdragon 8cx is way less power hungry than a traditional laptop chip, so your battery life will be excellent. All-day battery life is no problem, and with casual use, you may even get a few days of battery life, and you can always switch off that connectivity to prolong battery life if you want to, so this thing is a beast. And it's also whisper quiet because it doesn't have fans, because with the Snapdragon 8cx, you don't need it, and the laptop stays cool. So there's a lot to like about the Lenovo Flex 5G, and I can't wait to use it more so I can share with you my full thoughts on this lightweight and powerful battery beast. Make sure you follow me on social media so you can see some of the updates. If this 2-in-1 laptop sounds perfect for you, then make sure you hit that link down below, because right now on Verizon.com, you can get $400 off of this machine. That is a killer deal, especially for a 5G laptop. I would move quickly on this because it's only for a limited time, so let me know what you think of the Lenovo Flex 5G. If you have any questions, ask away in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for a lot more cool tech videos just like this, and a big shout out to Lenovo for sponsoring this showcase, and I will see you in the next one.